everyone! Welcome to our step-by-step guide on resource capacity planning in the schedule board with TeamBoard TimePlanner for Jira. In this guide, we'll walk you through overview of the schedule board, task scheduling in the board, leave and event planning, and manage resource workload. Let's start with the overview of the schedule board interface. It is designed to manage the allocation of resources over time, allowing users to plan tasks according to their capabilities. On the navigation bar, you can view resources at an individual level or team level by clicking a button. Current date, navigation. To quickly navigate to today's date, change your view mode by switching to days or weeks. Use basic or quick filter to make refined searches for specific projects or tasks. Change the view of resource allocation by tasks, leaves, or events. Get a resource workload overview in a single click. Jump search to quickly find specific items or issue tickets. Issues boxes, where you can find all Jira issues compiled in the project. Refresh to update your schedule board with the latest changes. View settings to customize the appearance of the schedule view. Export to an Excel file. There are several ways to plan tasks on this board. First, open the issue box and find the existing tickets in your Jira backlog by entering the desired issue key or summary in the search bar. Drag and drop the card into your chosen day. Then simply resize it to adjust working capacity hours or move the card to change the assignee. On each task, you also can add multiple assignees, change the color, update the status, or unplan if you make a change. You can also use the planning dialog to either create a new task or choose the existing one on this white space. Click on the specific dates on the board, and you have two options. One is to plan for an existing issue by searching for and selecting it. The other is to create a new issue and then add this issue as a plan to the board. Not only that, you can schedule tasks directly from the Jira issue detail page. Navigate to the Jira issue you want to plan and open its details. Click the Open TeamBoard TimePlanner option. Select Add Plan to initiate task scheduling within TimePlanner. Set the start date and end date to define the task's duration. Specify the hours day to indicate the daily effort required for the task. Click Plan to complete the scheduling process. With TimePlanner, scheduling non-task events or requesting leave in the schedule board is simple. Just click on the white space to open Planning dialog. Select Event, then fill in event details. To schedule your vacation, click on Request Leave, choose Leave Type, Approver, and Submit your leave. The Workload feature allows you to view the workflow based on working capacity, helping you understand who is overloaded, underutilized, or appropriately assigned. You can also use this feature to redistribute tasks for a more balanced workflow. And that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial videos in the future.